yeah. All right, so this is my first ride in pouring rain with my new windshield. Working pretty good. Oh yeah. I don't have my rain gear on. I'm gonna get soaked. And I actually put some Rain-X for plastic on my windshield, so you can see it's kind of beating off pretty good. Yeah, I actually have quite a bit of water on my visor too. Hopefully we don't get any hail. That would be like the biggest thing. So this is actually not too bad riding in pouring rain. I did notice my legs are getting soaked. And of course my gloves, I put some waterproof on my gloves, so it shouldn't be too bad. Well, we'll see how this actually goes. When I left, it was perfect out, and the weather said it's not gonna rain. It was just like light showers. It's kind of spotty, so you can ride, you know, kind of avoid the rain clouds and do pretty good. And sometimes as a matter of fact, I've been playing chicken with the rain clouds for the last couple months, and this is the first time where I really hit some rain really good. And the first time I hit rain, as a matter of fact, I did hit rain once before. It wasn't quite as heavy as that was back there. It was kind of like this right here, just a little bit of drizzle. And at the time, I actually had all my rain gear on, and I didn't have a windshield, so it was really getting to me really bad. But yeah, so yeah, this is I'm drowning out here in the rain. Oh my goodness, yeah, this is bad. I can still see pretty good. It looks like I could hydroplane because it's coming down so fast. Oh my goodness. Yeah, my legs are completely soaked all the way through to the bone. My chest is actually starting to get wet. I actually have my leather jacket on. Probably not that good for my leather jacket. Oh, it's actually funneling right down into my crotch. I just feel all this water right in my crotch. That is not good. Oh yeah. Yeah, I probably should have, if I was prepared, I would have definitely put my rain gear on before I left. Yeah, I'm definitely getting soaked. I got my helmet, my visor cracked a little bit, and let me turn my music down. Actually, I have my music blaring in my ear. My visor's cracked just a little bit, steaming up a little bit on my helmet. As a matter of fact, I actually have a pin lock visor, which keeps it from fogging up. And I actually took it off because I've been riding later in the evenings, and with that pin lock, it really distorts. As a matter of fact, with the pin lock, it really distorts all the view. Yeah, I am soaking wet. Luckily, I'm pretty close to home. Oh my goodness, this is the first soaking that I got on my bike. Really bad soaking. And the other thing is, I'm gonna crack my visor just a little bit because I'm starting to steam up. I noticed my phone here stayed pretty dry. The only thing about my phone is actually a Galaxy Note 9, and it's supposed to be waterproof, but the only thing is the connection where it plugs into my charger. My charger does not like to be wet. It kind of freaks out and airs out, and you have to kind of unplug it and dry it out. Yeah, I am soaked to the bone. My first real soaking. And luckily, I'm not too far from home. I couldn't imagine, you know, driving like hours being this soaked, which would be really uncomfortable. So normally, if I was actually to go out and, you know, if I planned on driving a real long time and I saw some rain clouds, I would have put my rain gear on before I went out. And this time, you know, I kind of took it for granted that the weather was right. I actually looked at it was AccuWeather. Whoa. Let's see if I can get down this dirt road. So this is going to be a little bit tricky going down this dirt road here. since it's all kind of muddy. I was kind of hoping we wouldn't get, hopefully I'll be okay on this road driving this big old Harley Davidson. This is actually a 2007 Dyna Street Bob, so this thing has got some weight to it. Doesn't do very good in the mud, that's for sure. It feels a little bit squirrely on this road. There's definitely some potholes that I was trying to miss on the way down, but I don't know if I want to swerve around them too much. Boy, and my visor's not very good. As a matter of fact, I actually put some of that Rain-X for plastic on my visor, but I'm pretty sure it completely wore off. I think you have to keep adding that stuff to the plastic to keep it really beating off, because let me say, it is not beating off my visor. And I don't really want to let go of the handlebars to kind of wipe my visor, because this is pretty squirrely down this dirt road. So one thing that's dry is my back. My backside where I'm sitting down is pretty dry, and my whole back all the way up. I'm actually sitting against a sissy bar bag in the back, which keeps me completely protected back there. But let me tell you, just that little spray, I got soaked to the bone. I think I'm about 5 pounds heavier from all that water on me too. Wow. So yeah, I definitely need to put some more of that plastic, it was like Rain-X for plastic, on my visor. Alright, so this is going to be tricky going down my dirt driveway. Look at this, it's like a stream running down here. This is crazy. Let's see if I can do this. So this is kind of tricky here. It's like a little river going right down my driveway. And if you, oh my goodness, if you actually go over to the left, you can actually get sucked up in the, let's see here. I have like loose, almost like sandy gravel on the left. Yeah, my glasses are starting to fog up now. Alright guys, I thought I'd bring you along for my first good soaking on my Harley Davidson. I got soaked to the bone. I have to figure out how to dry off my jacket without shrinking it. I'm wearing my black leather jacket. Wow. Yep. That was the craziest thing ever. At first I was thinking, you know, maybe I should go down the highway and just kind of chance it. I'm glad I turned around and came home, because I got completely soaked. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you on a drier day.